Arabian jasmine, also known as mogra, is a delicate and fragrant plant that thrives in warm climates. To grow it successfully, start by selecting a suitable location. Choose a spot that receives at least 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight daily, as sunlight is essential for healthy growth and abundant flowering. The soil should be well-draining, rich in organic matter, and slightly acidic to neutral in pH. Loamy soil enriched with compost or aged manure works best. Begin planting by digging a hole slightly larger than the root ball of the plant. Gently loosen the roots before placing the plant in the hole, ensuring that the top of the root ball is level with the surrounding soil. Fill the hole with soil and firm it lightly. Water the plant immediately after planting to settle the soil and remove air pockets. Watering should be consistent but moderate. Arabian jasmine prefers slightly moist soil, so water whenever the top inch of soil feels dry. Avoid waterlogging, as excessive moisture can lead to root rot. Mulching around the base helps retain soil moisture and suppress weeds. Fertilization is important for vigorous growth and continuous flowering. Apply a balanced fertilizer once every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season, following package instructions carefully. Pruning should be done after flowering to maintain the desired shape and encourage new growth. Remove dead or weak branches to improve air circulation. Pests such as aphids, mealybugs, and spider mites can affect mogra plants. Regular inspection and prompt treatment with mild insecticidal soap or neem oil can keep infestations under control. With proper care, Arabian jasmine produces clusters of small, star-shaped, highly fragrant white flowers, making it a wonderful addition to gardens and balconies. Over time, with consistent sunlight, water, and nourishment, the plant grows into a healthy, bushy shrub, offering beauty and fragrance year after year.